Hi, how's it going? Good morning. It's not morning, is it morning? It is morning, it's 7:56. I'm just getting ready for work. And it's Friday today. It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what?
It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what?
I just want to say good morning because I didn't take my camera out this morning to kind of vlog my morning at all because now I'm just like put my shoes on to go to work. But I'm going to Maleny for the weekend when I get back from work and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd just be like, good morning. I'm on my way to work. Getting ready to go to work. Gymmed this morning. It was a strength day today. Did a lot of lunges. I had eggs on toast with avocado for breakfast and obviously my coffee, and then had a good little cry. My face is probably a little bit puffy and red still. Maybe. I've been like having this weird feeling as of late, like just wanting to cry. I don't know why, but that's just what I've been feeling as of late. Just the need to just cry. So I don't know what's going on. Even like, it's like, yes, my period is like probably, it's a week before my period, but even then it's like still so out of the norm. I just have this urge to just cry. So I don't know what's going on there, if I'm just like a bit stressed, if it's just a bunch of emotions that I just need to get out. I don't know, but it's not fun to say the least. Just wanting to just cry. But like, yeah, I love crying, don't get me wrong. I love it, I enjoy it. It makes me feel good afterwards because it's like a release of emotions, but I'm like, what's causing these emotions, you know? So yeah, we'll see. But my goal is I might have another cry at some point, who fucking knows. But yeah, it's annoying. I'm gonna tell you that much. It's annoying. It's not fun. It's not enjoyable. What brought it on was I'm watching Drive to Survive, and it was the Man on Fire episode. And I've seen that everywhere. Like, I've seen the whole scenario happen, but it's just like, that just got me. And I saw a TikTok about obviously what's happening in Australia when it comes to women, and that made me burst out to tears. I don't know, I think it's just a whole bunch of emotions. I don't know what's going on, but something needs to come out, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm gonna go to work and try and get through the day, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home and have to pack. Woo woo, it's Friday then.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
This is our view from the shower. That's insane. Oh my god. Like, look at that. Oh, stop it. A little catch up and talk. Hello, it's Saturday, 9:31 a.m. and we just came back from breakfast. I didn't film yesterday because I was in a shit mood. I was in the worst mood. I was in just a terrible mood, and there was just no point whipping the camera out while I was in a very, very bad mood. And I took it out on Patty, unfortunately, and so everything was just silent, and we were just getting here. So we're in Maleny right now. But yeah, so I didn't film yesterday. We were basically just driving anyways, and we came back, or when I finished work, came home, packed, and then went straight onto the road and had dinner and then came here. So we're at One of Patty's friends, partners, estates. We're just chilling here for the weekend, relaxing, getting some well-deserved R&R, which is very nice, and I feel very grateful being invited here because it's like it's not every day this sort of opportunity comes around, and it's just so beautiful. Like, oh my god, it is so nice, and just an opportunity to kind of like shut off from the world and just enjoy everyone's company and just kind of connect with nature. There's like no like big intentions with it. We're just invited here, and we've got another couple coming as well today, and then yeah, we'll see where the day takes us, but that's pretty much it. So we've had breakfast, we walked to the town and went to a cafe called Frank, and then it was really nice. Like, the coffee was really good. I had a almond latte as usual, and the coffee just it blended so nicely. The temperature was great, wasn't burnt, wasn't like acidic or bitter. Like, it was a bit acidic, but that was just the beans. And then I had the French toast with maple syrup and balsamic strawberries and ice cream, and that was so good. And then we walked back, and now we're here. Prepare the fireplace for some pizza that we're gonna make, and the dough, and then we'll head back into town. But yeah, just thought I'd catch up with you. I'm gonna try and like stay as much off my phone as possible and just be present in the moment. But we'll see. Like, it's just so beautiful, and it's just so nice, and like, it's insane that, you know, friends have this. It's actually insane. But yeah, on Friday, it was just not a good day. Work was just, my emotions were very high. My period is due. My period's due in like 7 days. So I'm in my luteal phase where my emotions are just skyrocketing, and was on the brink of a breakdown so much during the workday. And you know, I just couldn't, had stuff to do, and people were just talking to me. It's like, I just don't want any interaction, and I've got other priorities that I need to like get on top of, because it's just been a very busy week. Same with last week, and it just, yeah, I wasn't in a good headspace, and then I took that out on Patty, unfortunately, but he understands. I apologised. I did apologise. I didn't go, I'm not the issue. I knew I was the issue, and everything was just, my emotions were just all over the place, unfortunately, and that's just normally how it is on like that week before my period. I'm just very sensitive, and a lot of small things were just getting to me, and I put it out. But we're here. It's time to just enjoy the day and see where it takes us, and I'll try and get as much content as I can, but we'll see. I just want to enjoy our time with friends and in this awesome place. So yeah.
Key thing I didn't want to check, you want to literally kind of get to the edge and literally put it around like this, so it starts to fall, so you use gravity to actually stretch the dough. Okay, does that sound doable? Now the only thing is, once you get to that opening, and then you can do that, but to early stages to actually get the dough to stretch, you cannot do that. So, a wonky surf that you can still like end up mashing it out. Oh! God, this is really stressful. The pull. So when you have the actual dough, yeah, that's just use it. And I'll show you the shape you need to get to, the size. You need to get to this size. So you've got some room. Oh god.
That doesn't.
See, it's already looking better since I put my hands on it already, immediately. Put my hands on it, literally got better straight away. So that's the shape. We'll just like do a little smooth that out just a little bit. And then you just kind of want to start pulling. And I do quick fingers on the edge, and I do massage it like a bit. Like, I think Paddy wasn't like pushing his fingers together. That's so funny. Look at Paddy. Look at Paddy's filmography. This is so funny. Oh, you have to do a good shot, mate.
This is what I've become.
Yeah, our boyfriends of Instagram. Wow, that's content. This is a great starting point. Are you sure? Yeah, let's give it a crack. Yeah. And you can just like bounce it a little bit in your hand, just a fraction every so often. Good, no, it's looking good. Shape bite is happening, and then gradually as it gets heavier and stretches out more, it'll get a bit bigger. but it's all about massaging it out. Yeah, great. Good job. Here we go. Here we go. See, look at Pagan. Look how Pagan's doing it.
Very well done.
Oh, come on. Quick, speed.
Speed.
Down to the point. Stop. Great. That's looking good. Look at the progress. That's doing well. Yes, there's going to be parts where it's going to be thin. And that's part of your, that's part of life.
That's part of the experience.
It's stressful.
Yeah, but what do you do when it's in this area?
So you just have to think, you have to try to stay away from that and don't let the gravity have big pulls on that when you've got it up in the air.
Take control of gravity.
This may be better than mine, to be honest. Honestly, Paddy's supposed to be doing his once he's finished his filmography. Honestly, throw that on there and let's have a look.
It's a bit small.
Only a little, but you could work.
Yeah,
You can smush these edges out, yeah, because it'll actually kind of stick to the base a little. That's very good. Well done. Everyone, a round of applause for Pagan. That's really good. Yeah, off Brick Lane experience.
That looks so good.
Oh, that was nice.
I always double on there. True, you did say.
Middle turn. Yay!
Ah, should be right there.
Just don't ride a spider one.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the sun's coming out now. Oh yeah.
Did you not learn a manual?
Huh?
Did you not learn in manual? Have you got a manual license?
Yeah.
Take me for a ride.
Take you for a ride?
Yeah.
You take me for a ride?
Yeah, you can come for a ride.
Huh?
Yeah. You fit on the back? Your bum gonna fit on the back?
Probably not. I don't think you're going to fit on this either.
Yeah, we'll fit.
I have a ginger beer in there, by the way, if you wanted it.
I'll have it in a minute.
Yeah.
Do you want me
I'll
to?
have one more spin and then I'll come back around.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Go for it.
I was going to go that way.
Yeah, head over there. Go through the mud.
I'm not going to, because you said it's too hard up that way.
Yeah, just don't go up the hill.
No, I don't want to get stuck in the mud.
No, you'll be right.
What? No, I'm not doing that.
Go find Baris and Brooke.
Yeah. What are you guys doing?
She's so timid, it's so funny. She almost looks like she's like got her butt off the seat.
I know.
Right? Am I crazy in thinking that?
I think she's just got a platform of an ass, that's all. It's just funny because it's so slow. Do a drift.
Huh?
Do a drift.
Well done.
Good job, Hayden.
What's sunrise like?
To be honest, we haven't got up before sunrise the last 2 days.
Surely not, why would you?
It was like, it would have been closed, we were up at like 6:30. It'd be like a huge flow of water in there.
Yeah, okay.
Interesting that they went with like the full concrete though, as opposed to, I guess,
Like a rock.
rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could have rock the whole way if you wanted to.
I mean, obviously that is going to stay there.
Yeah, you have to
Gotta be
fill up the
more.
rocks over time, let's say.
Have you seen it overflowing yet?
Yeah, a few times. Like when it rains like real heavy, you'll sort of see there's like a huge path, and that one essentially goes into the dam at the bottom, and then
Yeah.
the dam at the bottom flows down over that other causeway.
Barista girl. What do you reckon of the red mud?
Sorry?
What do you like? Do you like the red mud?
I don't mind it actually. What are your thoughts? Well, you haven't had it yet.
Yeah, you gave me a sip the other day, but I had it with almond, not with.
With macadamia.
Oh, sorry, yeah, macadamia. Gotta get the pour in. Do a double shot.
Need it afterwards.
Oh, it's stinky.
Did you fart?
Mistakes. Mistakes were made.
It literally followed me.
You took it with you.
Yes. Disgusting.
You're just going to your local cold room. What? You can't even tell.
She can, it stinks.
Yeah, well, we better open that door so we don't scare the rest of everybody.
Plastic side-eye.
So focused.
I don't think we're gonna get any latte out of this.
I reckon you will.
No.
No. Oh, it's so full.
Sorry, no latte out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your coffee. I make coffee for everyone.
Hey.
Nasty.
Nasty.